Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how we can create video or some mind map in Notebooklm. So let's get straight into it. First of all, go into your profile and open some notebook. When you open up, you will see here that we have sources, chat and studio. So now you see on the right side in studio we have here video overview, mind map, report, flashcard, quiz, audio overview, and as you can already predict, we can click on this. It will be AI generated. After is generated, you can customize it, download it as an MP4, and but it will take a little bit of time. So also we can activate our mind map. So when it's done, just press on it and it will open up a pop-up window. And as you can see now, we can play with this a little bit here in mind map EU, and it will go further like that here. So it's pretty interactive and basically fun way to get to the informations. And from here we can also go like that, output like that, and we will see here discuss what this source say about in the large context of do, and it will tell you here. So it's pretty cool and interactive way of using this mind map. Really nice. Now for video we will need to wait a little bit more time. Now video is also finished, so we can play the video like that. Play. So, and as you can see, it's basically quite good example of a video from PDF. So it looks pretty cool. Okay, so this is how you can create video, mind map, also some quiz, podcast also maybe. So if this video was helpful to you, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next